video after about 3 weeks of recording. 3 weeks of not recording. I just left from hometown. A lot of shit happened as far as the courts and kids and stuff like that. Well, not a lot of stuff. Nothing happened. Everything's absolutely the same, except for they made the mother of my kids give me my children's cell phone number. But outside of that, Devin in London, they off the truck right now. They're at home, San Diego. I am officially starting my countdown. So as the videos develop, I'll have a better idea of the time frame and what I'm talking about when I say the countdown started. So just wanted to check in, record something for the day. Try to work on some daily content, like shooting every day. I got a bunch of videos already edited, but those gonna be out to y'all soon. Y'all already get them now. It's like 4th or 5th episode of the new series. But yeah, I just got done cleaning up the truck. I'm sitting here getting loaded at Road Tex and near LA. Got 2 stops on this load. One in Vegas, one in Salt Lake. Then I'm shooting up to Boise, Idaho to pick up a load and head all the way to South Carolina. So I'm gonna take y'all on that journey. That's gonna be this week's vlog, I guess. Yeah, stay tuned. Oh, y'all like my little thing? The little shit follow me around. I wish it could tilt up and shit, but it don't tilt up. It kind of just swoop. Y'all, it's your dog Johnny Digital, coming to you live from inside the truck. Made it to my first stop last night here in North Las Vegas. The dude just got here to offload me. Ended up getting here like 8 o'clock last night, and I got me some internet now. I got me a big boy hotspot, so been working on my YouTube channel. Got some videos, some old videos uploaded and shit. But just wanted to check in. Trying to vlog every day since the wife been off the truck. The wife and the baby been off the truck. I just left yesterday. But the next stop is in, I think it's in Salt Lake City today. I gotta be there by 1800, 6 o'clock. And then I got a pickup in Idaho going to one of the Carolinas, North or South Carolina. So I was just pretty much checking in, man. Checking in. Got my whole little YouTube studio set up. Lights and all of that shit on here. Stand. I got a little stand. I was fucking with it last night. Let me see if it's...
And I do this shit for all my truth. So excuse me, I do not mean to be rude. Take a trip to outer space, go to the moon. Wonder how I got here, I
So I'm walking inside of Walmart right now. Got a few things to get. I'm a 30-minute break, some drinks and stuff for the truck. I don't know if I got time to clean the cooler out or whatever. But we vlogging, y'all.
I do not pay when I see you. Come for me to stand my back, I'm beating. So we just hit my jack for a reason. Yeah, be sitting on the net and I don't feel
still winter. Yeah, it's time to get the fuck. What's the deal, y'all? Today, October 31st, holiday. Halloween, shall I say. I'm at the truck stop. Woke up this morning, did my pre-trip. And then when it was time to pull off, my truck shut off. Shut off right there, right in front of me. And I got it crunked back up, but it kept shutting off. So what I did the last time I got crunk up, instead of putting it in drive, I put it in reverse. And when it cut off, it rolled me back into this parking spot. So I'm here waiting on the shop to give me a call back, give me the next steps. Just had a load from Utah to Atlanta, 7 hours out, somewhere, I think I'm in Mount Vernon, Illinois. Yeah, but that's the status of today. Waiting on the shop to call me. I posted 3 or 4 videos the past 3 or 4 days, and I'm trying to keep it going. I'm in the back right now, or I was before I started thinking, hey, maybe I should cut the camera on and let y'all see what's going on with the day. So I'm gonna get back to posting this video. So it's official. I'm broke down officially. They sending out a wrecker to come tow me to a Freightliner in 2 miles and put me up in a hotel and getting some breakdown pay. So I think I'm gonna pack up my bags, pack my dirty clothes so I can wash at the hotel, and my laptop so I can continue editing some videos. I actually supposed to be doing some client work, or I was supposed to be doing some client work once I stopped driving for the day, but I'll take this opportunity to knock that out once I get to the hotel. Ain't no telling how long Freightliner gonna take. So that's the update. I keep you guys posted on what's going on once I know more, I guess. They told me to put some gas in the reefer trailer before I got there. It might have me do a swap or whatever. So I keep y'all posted. Guys hooking up to the truck. I'm taking the trash out. Just got done cleaning up the truck. Yeah. They had me drop the trailer. I still got to get gas for this trailer, but they hooking us up right now. Should be out of here in a minute. They just dropped the trailer right there. The truck is over there. And I guess the dock already. I just got to get the bills out of the truck and put it in the bill box, because they said they're sending somebody to come get the trailer tomorrow. Even though the delivery is tomorrow, but we'll see what happens. So I'm all checked in. Just waiting on my hotel room. Waiting on them to finish booking my hotel room. They got a shuttle service here, so I'm gonna hang out over there and just chill. Got enough fuel. Yes, I got fuel like you told me to. I'm gonna take a picture so they can see that. They made me drop my trailer. They drop my trailer right here, and the trucks in the dock, so take a picture of this fuel gauge so they can see that I did my part. Of course, these niggas put me in the cheapest hotel room. I had to pay $50 for a deposit, and I got me a smoking room. So that was an extra $5.55. This is what we looking like here, guys. Mount Vernon, Illinois. So I wanted to check in, hang out. I'll check in with you guys a little later on. Call my wife. Shit like that. Oh, she ain't with me no more. I don't know if y'all noticed how the vlog switched. Blah, 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 blah. But yeah, we at Motel 6 with it today, y'all. So it is Halloween. It's looking a little spooky in here. A little spooky. I ain't used to it. Yeah, and I got bougie over the years. I'm a Lauderdale nigga, but I got bougie. This ain't my type of hotel, sir. But I guess I can't complain too much. You saying that Freightliner sitting in they lobby and shit, but we'll make the best out of it. I don't watch TV, so don't worry about that. I'll make sure ain't no dead bodies in here though. No roaches, bed bugs, shit like that. It's gonna be a major problem. Definitely not a lot of light. Okay. Yeah. So I'm about to head out, get some dinner, come back and get some work in. So I ended up getting some Panda Express. Forgot the day was Halloween. I seen a fucking elf coming out of the goddamn. I seen the elf coming out of Panda Express, and I'm like, what the hell? Forgot it was Halloween today. But I'm gonna go back to the room, get down on this Panda Express, and figure it out. So participating in No Shave November. It's October 31st, so I figure I'll get my last shave in. I'm growing out the beard for the winter. I started, but I wanted to catch this on camera, so we'll do a little time lapse.